Here's how to make stickers on WhatsApp. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make stickers on WhatsApp. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First, just open up WhatsApp. And once you're inside WhatsApp, you just need to go into a chat. So I'm just gonna use my own chat. And here, once you're inside your own chat, what you need to do is just basically press on this plus on the corner. Once you press on the plus, it'll show you these, but you can directly put an imagination right like over here. But if you don't want to do that, you'll see another option of stickers right over here, but you just gotta press on that. And right over here, it'll give you two options. First for GIF, and then the second one is basically stickers. So now you just gotta go ahead and press on create. Once you press on create, it will show you all these your camera roll pictures and everything. So make sure you select the picture that you want to turn a sticker. So I'm just gonna use this one right over here. And here, as you can see, if I press on go, it's just gonna make this a copy, and here, as you can see, I just made a sticker. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can make stickers on WhatsApp. So I hope this video helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.